This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Toyota RAV4. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and your new oil and filter. Make sure your engine is warm but not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more effectively. Before you begin, locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing for easy access. Now it's time to drain the old oil. Safely lift your RAV4 using ramps or jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is typically a 14mm bolt on the oil pan. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, being mindful that the oil will be warm. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan, which may take several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. Next, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Install your new oil filter, ensuring the new gasket is properly seated and lubricated with a thin coat of fresh oil. Hand tighten the filter, then add approximately 4.8 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil through the filler cap. After adding the new oil, replace the filler cap and start your engine. Let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and wait a moment. Check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's within the recommended range. Carefully inspect around the drain plug and the new oil filter for any signs of leaks. Remember to properly dispose of your old oil and filter. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.